Struggling to pass, shoot, or control your players in eFootball? Want the game to help you play smarter automatically? In this video, I'll show you how to turn on or off Smart Assist in eFootball and Android. Let's get started. First, open the eFootball game on your Android device. From the main menu, tap on Settings. Tap on Game Settings or Controller Settings. Look for the option called Smart Assist. Turn Smart Assist on. This feature helps you with passing to the best player automatically, easier shooting aim, smarter through balls, better defensive positioning support. Start a practice match or online game. Notice how your passes and movement become easier. If you're a beginner, keep Smart Assist on. If you're an advanced player, reduce it gradually to improve skills. That's how you use Smart Assist in eFootball and Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy gaming guides and tips. Thanks for watching!